Good morning students, 10th standard maths is a chapter 2 numbers and sequences. It's a exercise 2.3 only is a today's class to discuss about the sum. It's a concurrence modulo. If it's a definition, if A and B are two integers, concurrent modulo M. It is written as say A concurrent B and then within brackets modulo is a short form only mentioned is a mod M only you mentioned. So if they leave the same remainder is divided by M. That one is given for the definition. So first one is exercise 2.3. First question, find the least possible positive value of x such that first sum 71 concurrent x within bracket is a mod 8 only given. So first find out the least positive value of x only find out. Already solve the equation method only find out. So write 71, this right hand side x change into left hand side 71 minus x equal to, so mod 8 only given. So apply some integer k only equal to 8k within bracket some integer k. So 71 minus x equal to 8k is a some integer k. Next step write 71 minus x is a multiple of 8. Okay, so least positive value only apply. So x one more value you find out. 71 minus one more number is subtract. That number is a multiple of 8 table. 8 table is a multiple of this number. So what are the number? Only mind calculation only find out the value x value. Suppose first value x equal to 1. Apply the value. 71 minus 1 means is a 70. 70 is not multiple by the 8 table. So what are the value you find out? So 71 minus 7 equal to, what is the answer? 71 minus 7. So 11 minus 7 is a 4 and then 64. So 64, that number is a multiple of 8. Okay, so answer x must be, what is the value? X must be 7 only is the answer. So first step, write, apply the 71 plus x change into minus x equal to 8k, so some integer k. Then one more value you mention, find out the value. That number is a multiple of 8 only. So you find out the mind calculations only. First value substitute 1 is not multiple means you go to the next value. So 71 minus 7 equal to 64. That number is a multiple of 8. So x must be 7. The same model only is a next second one also. 78 plus x concurrent 3. So mod 5 only given. So first right hand side value change into left hand side. 78 plus x. The 3 change into left hand side is a minus 3 equal to, so mod 5 only given. So apply the sum integer 5k. So sum integer k mentioned. Okay, next constant term, subtract the term 78 minus 3. So 75. 75 plus x is a multiple of 5. So one more value, x value is a find out. That value added, that term is a multiple of 5 table. So what are the value? Least possible value only find out. First 1 means 75 plus 1 is a 76. 76 is not a multiple of 5 table. So what are the value? Next value, so 2 is not multiple, 3, 4 is not multiple. So only apply the 5 only. So write 75 plus 5 equal to, what is the answer? 75 plus 5 equal to 80. So it's a multiple of 5. So 80 is a multiple by the 5 table. So what is the least value? 5 only. So write down the answer. X must be 5. Second question. If x is concurrent to 13 modulo 17, then 7x minus 3 is concurrent to which number is a modulo 17? So what is the given? X is concurrent to 13 modulo 17. So first given mention x. X is a concurrent to 13 and then modulo mod 17 only given. Then find out 7x minus 3 is concurrent to which number, that only find out. Modulo the same modulo 17. So 7x minus 3. So x only first step multiply by 7, the next one subtract the 3. Then find out 7x minus 3. So step by step you mention multiply by 7 both sides, left side and then right side multiply by 7. So write 7 into x, 7x is a concurrent, 7 into 13 is a mod 17. Okay, so 7x is a concurrent, 7 13s are 7 3s are 21, balance 2, 7 1 7 are 7 plus 2 is a 91, so mod 17. Okay, so the next step 7x find out. Next one is a minus 3, so subtract 3. So both sides. So right, 7x minus 3 is a concurrent, 91 minus 3 is a mod 17. Okay, so 7x minus 3 is a concurrent, 91 minus 3, subtract the term, so 11 minus 3 is 8 is 88, so mod 17. Then find out the remainder. So 88 divided by 17 and find out the which number. So divided by 88 divided by 17. So how many times for 17 table? 17 5s are 85. What is the balance? Is a 3 is a remainder. So what is the number? Is a remainder only. So divisible by 17. So remainder equal to 3. So write 7x minus 3 is a concurrent. What is the remainder? Is a 3 mod 17. So write down the answer. 7x minus 3 is concurrent to what is the number? Which number? That only find which number is 3 only. Concurrent to 3 modulo 17. Third question, solve 5x concurrent 4 mod 6 only given. So find out the x value only find out. So the same method only followed. So right hand side 4 change into left hand side, 5x minus 4 equal to mod 6 only given, so 6k. So some integer k. So right, 5x minus 4 equal to 6k. Okay, next to solve the equation method only, you find out the value of x only. So first step minus 4 go to the right hand side, 5x equal to 6k, minus 4 change into plus 4. Therefore x equal to 6k plus 4, then 5 multiply by 5 change into divide only, divided by 5. So first find out the 3 values. You substitute k value only, substitute the values and find out x only. First value, if k equal to what is the value, that substitute the number, add the term, that number is a divided by 5 only, that of the number only is substitute, that one is a, that also is a mind calculation only. First value is a 1, that number is last one digit 5 or 0, that of the number only divisible by 5. So what are the values? Is 1, apply 6 into 1, 6 plus 4 equal to 10, that number is a divided by 5. So first value, if k equal to 1, then x equal to 6 into 1 plus 4 divided by 5. 6 plus 4 divided by 5 equal to 10 by 5. So cancel the terms, answer equal to 2. So if k equal to 1, what is the x value? First solution equal to 2. The next one, if k equal to, what is the next value you find out? So 2, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 is not, find out, divided by 5. Then next any other value, 6 5s are 30 plus 4 is not, find out. Next value 6, apply k equal to 6 only, apply the value, then x equal to 6 into k value, substitute x 6 only, plus 4 divided by 5. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 divided by 5. So what is the answer? 40 divided by 5 equal to, what is the next one value? cancel the term, is 8 times. This is second value, first value 2, second value 8. Next one more value, if k equal to, what is the next one value? Let's find out. So next one is a k equal to 11 only substitute. Then x equal to 6 into 11 plus 4 divided by 5. So write 66 plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 70 divided by 5. So cancel the terms, 70 divided by 5, 1 times 24 times. So solution are first value 2, second value 8, 14 up to etc.